Hello, gel press fans. Hope you're doing wonderful today. I'm just doing some more playtime on my gel press. As you can tell by looking at my hands, I've been doing this a little bit today. I have some Liquitex Basics acrylic paints here. I'm going to be doing some mixing because I'm working with the Sherwin Williams 2021 color palette. I've got three 3x5s. I have a flashlight that I found on my latest adventure to a Salvation Army shop. And I thought this could be kind of fun to play with. So I have that. I also have a piece of curtain that I've used on multiple occasions, but I just love the random holes that it has. I also have over here a piece of burlap that I'm going to use, and like I said, my flashlight. So let's see where this journey is going to take us. So I think I am going to start out, I'm going to mix a little bit of I love those dots. I think they're so cool. Now I'm going to let these two dry to the point of being tacky. But I find that I pick up more color. I will pick up more of this first color down if I let it dry. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I shut my camera off while I was letting it dry and forgot to turn it back on. Here you see where I'm using some of that curtain lace to pull some of that second layer of green color. Here I am using that top to the flashlight and just rolling it around. This really was such a fun thing to use to create with. And don't forget that little piece of burlap. So I used my palette knife to apply that new color onto the plates as I only wanted it in specific places. As I used the top to the flashlight, you can tell that it's not pulling up all the paint like I had wanted, but it will show vaguely on the final pull. See, where is this? It was dry, and see how you can see it took up all the way down to the base. Alrighty, we're in the home stretch. Now I'm applying that last layer of paint that will allow me to pull all those layers of color off the gel presses. And I got these 3x5 index cards from Staples. They were on sale. So I can't pass up any form of paper that is on sale. All right, let's get these little bad boys all massaged. Okay, let's see if they're ready to pull. Oh, we got one little spot here. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Look at that. Okay, let's see what the next one looks like. And you can see in there where I used the burlap right there. And then the edges of the top of the flashlight. Oh, that came out really kind of cool. All right, here's our last one. Of course, this was the paint palette, so probably be my favorite one of all. Yep. And there it is. 1, 2, 3. All right. I hope you enjoyed my creative journey using my parts from the flashlight, the Sherwin Williams 2021 color palette, and 3 3x5 gel presses. Hope you enjoyed my creative journey. Until we meet again, stay creative.